Hey everyone, welcome back to a part 2 of harvesting wheat. Well, in my last video I was actually working on getting the field all opened up, and as you can see there's that little church again, and I just got done getting it all opened up. I just went clear around the whole entire field, and that got all the end rows opened up. I put two rounds on each end, and that gives me plenty of room to turn. And so now I'm just off and running. It's kind of hard to see through that glare, but you can see the wheat coming into the hopper. So looking pretty good back there. Nice clean sample. This field is right at 50 acres, and I'm actually doing all of it in straw because there's several different people that want straw. And then what we don't use, we'll just put the bush hog on and come out and chop up. Okay, there you can kind of see across the field. But anyway, what we plan to do as of now, unless plans or things change, a neighboring farmer, he wants straw, and last year, since he has his own hay equipment, he just brought his own baler over and did the job himself. Well, since then he's gotten a new baler, and he also has an accumulator on the back of it. And if you don't know what an accumulator is, it just hooks onto the back of the baler, and you pull it behind the baler in place of a hay wagon. And the baler simply, it just pushes all the bales right up a chute, and then they all stack onto the accumulator. When it gets up to 10 bales, it automatically trips open, and it just drops blocks of 10 bales out on the ground. You come along with a skid loader or a bobcat with a grapple, pick them up, set them onto a hay wagon, and go. A lot less handwork. And so we talked to him here about a week and a half ago, and he told us that if we wanted to work something out, he'd bale his straw and ours, because we probably got about 1,500 bale of our own that needs to be done. And so as soon as Dad and I heard that, we jumped at that idea. And so hopefully we'll be able to do that and just use his accumulator. He'll bring his bobcat, then we'll get wagons and then just stack blocks of 10 on the wagon and go a whole lot faster. And so for ourselves over there, right over there at our landlord's place over there, we have a small straw shed, and I'm guessing we probably need about probably 400 bale, 400 to 500 bale put in it. And then my dad's got several different customers, and what they'll do, most of them that have them, they'll just bring their flatbed hay wagons. We'll load the wagons and they'll come back over to the farm, pick up their wagon, take it back home. And then another guy, he actually came over last year, and I think the way my dad talked, he wants about 800 bale. Thankfully, however, he has his own tractor and baler, so he'll just come over and do all of his own. And like I say, whatever we don't use in this 50 acres, looking out across there, we will just put the bush hog on, come out and chop up, and that'll be that. And then here a little bit ago, in part one, I told you that my dad was bringing the semi over, and here just a little bit ago, he brought the tandem truck over. So right there's both of them. Okay, with those trucks sitting there, I don't have enough room to get turned around. I got to loop out and make a big loop on the end. That right there is our hay field. The semi is a Freightliner Century. And the tandem truck is International S1900. We bought the semi-tractor and the tandem truck off a neighboring farmer. Oh, about 2 miles east of here. Oh, that's been here several years ago now. And he's actually in the process of retiring out. He's slowly been winding down over the past few years. And we were going to buy his semi-trailer. He had a Tempty semi-trailer, but something came up and he changed his mind on this last year or two that he didn't want to sell it right away. And so we actually just ended up buying a new Generation trailer. I don't know if you've heard of Generation. They've actually not been on the market very long. I'm guessing probably within about the last year and a half. But the nice thing with the Generation compared to the Wilson and the Tempty is that all the frame, including the subframe where the wheels are, and then up underneath the fifth wheel, is all aluminum, and so no rust. In fact, the only thing that is actually steel are the back axles, and that's it. So that does make it nice. But so far it's worked great. We really like it. Tell you what, I'm at about the 10-minute mark. This is going to be the end of part 2, and so who knows, maybe tomorrow I'll grab a part 3. Take care. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.